Vice President Yemi Osinbajo has met with U.S. Secretary of State Anthony Blinken to discuss crucial issues of interest to both countries. The meeting was held in the presidential villa, Abuja. Blinken, who is on a three-nation tour of Africa, and Osinbajo deliberated on a wide range of areas of bilateral cooperation, including climate change, security, pandemic response, and infrastructure, among others. The duo agreed that there was the need to strengthen and improve relations between the U.S. and Nigeria. The vice president thanked Blinken for the visit, saying that Nigeria is pleased to get much attention from the U.S.
So we expect, that and with this point that we made, that there will be, for adaptation and mitigation measures, there will be the kind of support that has been promised, since Paris. And I think that we should really look at how to ensure that there is public investment goes on, especially for gas, because really it remains the way by which we can improve access to electricity, which is a problem that developing countries have. That whole question of access, and again, is so closely tied to poverty and extreme poverty. So we think that these are issues that, again, working collaboratively, we can really solve. Again, to just say that we're very pleased with the work that USA has done in Nigeria. And I mentioned earlier that this is work that they have somehow mastered the way of being able to ensure that there is a bottom-up approach. There is participation of those who will be beneficiaries in developing the programs, which has been very helpful indeed. And I think that accounts for a lot of the success that we're seeing in a good number of those programs. So we really want to thank the USA for that, and to thank you also.
For his part, the Secretary of State pledged U.S. collaboration with Nigeria on climate change, investments in infrastructure, developing capacity to manufacture vaccines, and security, among others.
We've been talking about today and where our cooperation is especially important. First, we're working together to beat back COVID-19 and to build back better as we address the devastating impact that it's had on all of us, on our communities, on our economies. The United States has delivered 7.6 million doses of safe, effective vaccines to Nigeria, and we expect to send another significant number of doses by the end of the year, donated with no strings attached.
Earlier in his remarks, Nigeria's Minister of Foreign Affairs, Geoffrey Onyema, said the U.S. had been very supportive in the health sector with vaccine for COVID-19.
There are various areas that we cooperate with the United States in. I think first off, as again the Secretary has mentioned, to thank the United States for the assistance that was provided, especially with vaccines in the health sector to fight the COVID-19 pandemic. We appreciate this enormously.
Highlight of the meeting was the adoption of the Development Objective Assistance Agreement by the U.S. Secretary of State and Nigeria's Minister of Foreign Affairs.